hotter than a mug. Yeah, I want to change immediately. Look at fatty Sakura stuffing her face. Why she got a burger and ice cream? Such an American.
Oh, and then before that. I thought the window was gonna be like a little circle. Yeah, that's why I said, yeah, let's get a balcony. But now I see this, I'm like, we could have just got a window. These two numbers are easily
It's a big window.
Colored hats or vests. So I'm like, I don't want to be looking out the little circle like this.
Yeah, I want to know when the boat's sinking, alright?
In the interest of the safety of everyone on board, guests should not tamper with any of the safety equipment, including hanging items from sprinkler heads. Safety equipment that...
Push! Push!
It's a heavy door.
I ask you, will your last words be, if only I hit... Hey, you, wake up. Why do you exist? Life is not meant to simply work, wait for the weekend, and pay rent. No, I don't know much.
Shakira. It's time for the blue slide. Good? Alright, y'all.
Let me show y'all the girls. Hold on. Say cheese, y'all. Yeah. Let's eat. Try this salad. My phone is betraying me, I swear. All right, let's try this. Get your drink.
Oh, we doing the boomerang again? Wait, I want to get my boomerang.
Oh my God. I ain't doing no boomerang. Y'all youngins. And yeah, cheers. Look at it. Look at it. Thank you.
Ready?
Look at it.
Cheers, go! I love it!
Oh, wait, hold on. Cute. This is cute. We gotta do something nice from it, y'all. That's where it's at. We gotta do nice.
don't have to understand it.
Sometimes I wanna be like everyone. It seem like they be having fun. I hate I'm not the average one, but that leaves no comparison. Sometimes I wanna be like everyone. It seem like they be having fun. I hate I'm not the average one, but that leaves no comparison. Look in the mirror who I am, I see great cause I never could blend. Never tried to idolize or compromise, chose fruit punch with no gin. Wondered why I never smoked trees, but always thought about green. I'm self-made, go health aid, hill world without no team. My family was my dream, my mindset was routine. My confidence was real low, used to hide away from that scene. Too many thoughts in my bank, my enemies I go thank. I never would've had made it if these pages wasn't so blank. I have a story, no drugs in my system.
Bar sign.
Yeah, I was outside, but I was followed by my sister. So I won't remind her that things now is different. Didn't touch the fire, so my mama, I would listen. Now I am becoming what they thought was nothing. Started sounding stupid, re-recorded with my cousin. Don't think I be bluffing, not nice all of a sudden. You won't catch me stunting, cause the industry be frontin'. Sometimes I wanna be like everyone. It seems like they be having fun. I hate I'm not the average one, but that leaves no comparison.
That's cute. We gotta get a picture right there.
Sometimes I wanna be like everyone.
In front of the water and boat.
It seems like they be having fun. I hate I'm not the average one, but that leaves no comparison.
Dying right now.
Give me this.
Okay.
Give me this. Scoop your butt forward. Scoop your butt forward.
See, I'm vindicated. You see that horse? That horse is crazy. Back on the boat. Hey, what's your you got YouTube? Okay.
My name, you know, Kyrie, _, we vlogging. We gonna listen. We gonna vlog soon together. It's cool.
Okay. All right, back in our room. Let me show y'all what we came back to. I just want. Ooh, you see see this? I got an elephant on my bed. It's not on Keisha's bed. It's my bed.
Yeah, why you get an elephant?
Because they love me.
Oh, he left you an elephant because he thinks you're crazy. All these pills on your bed.
Oh, yeah, true. Mental pills. But really, this is Keisha's. Like, why would you bring all this on a trip? Like, what the frick?
He said, are you okay?
Yeah, like, what?
This will make you feel better.
Oh, 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 oh. All right.
Going up the rope course. Hello. And they talking about me.
I guess if you look at Jay, how would I think the floor is not that high?
You got it.
I'm trying to go.
Oh no.
So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out. What's in my head now? To get it out, everybody knows it's not hard to see the boy is mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me, the boy is mine. But you do the things you do. Didn't see that you had to play.
Yo, it's the drunk crew. We got Anthony, we got CQ, we got Security Shay. Okay.
Make sure you do what you're supposed to do.
Okay, now it's recording. Yo, they gave her a whole drink and they didn't give us one. Look at Security, she got.
I need a chaser.
Look at her face. She
I need a chaser. I can't just drink this by myself.
It's driving me out of my mind.
Keisha. Look at Keisha in her dress.
You're looking good, lady.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. Ready? Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Okay, It's so crazy how you drink all that. Woo! Salt. Oh, heck no. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looking good, looking good. Oh, chocolate martini. Oh, that's so what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. Ooh, this could be Bye.